cheaper, and CGI
It's morning.
really exist.
Mr. Bean wakes up late. Panic mode activated. He jumps into his car, half asleep, fully unprepared, brushing his teeth while speeding down the street, putting on his pants with one hand on the wheel. Only Mr. Bean would try that. No words, no logic, just pure comedy genius. This scene is reckless, hilarious, and unforgettable.
I mean, I stopped, before I hit him, but I might not have done, or the brakes might have failed. Because of that, you're not allowed to do that kind of thing anymore. But in those days, we did. The Blackadder. The Blackadder is a recurring character in history. We wrote a sitcom in which, over 4 series, you see him in 4